How to fix Adobe Reader slow performance issue. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Reader and at the top left corner of your screen, click on Menu. After you click on the menu option, at the bottom, click on Preferences in here. After you click on Preferences in here, you will find a new tab pop up. In here on the left side, simply click on Documents. And in Documents in Recently Used List, make sure it's low as possible. After you've done that, click on General and make sure there's no tick mark and Show Online Storage when saving file. After you've done that, scroll down in here and you will find option which is OK. Press on OK and remove this tab. After that, open Settings. In here, click on Apps. After you're in Apps section on the left side, click on Apps and Features. Then click on Adobe Acrobat. You'll find both options at the bottom. Click on Modify in here. After you've clicked on Modify, press on Next. Then click on Repair and then press on Next. After that, it will take some time. Press on Update. After you do this, you are good to go. This is how to fix Adobe Reader slow performance issue. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.